Why influencer marketing works so well for businesses. There are lots of reasons why this marriage between brands and individual content creators who are seen as voices of authority in their niche is advantageous to businesses. The list can be unending, but here are the essentials if you need convincing on the benefits of influencer marketing. 1. Precise targets. Every marketing idea aims at gathering as many relevant visitors to the website as possible. But to get there, you need to find an audience who will be interested in your product or service and are most likely to buy what you have to offer. If you don't target the right crowd, you might get visitors to the website, but you won't be able to turn them into paying customers. 2. Improves brand awareness. Whether you are an established brand in the market or a relatively unknown one, there is always new ground to break, even in the demographics you think you have conquered. Influencers are extremely useful thanks to their reach. They are the perfect tool to reach new audiences and increase brand awareness. Every time they promote your brand, their followers will notice it. And depending on the type of influencer you choose, I listed 3 types in the beginning, you have a good shot at being perceived as more authentic. 3. Boosts audience engagement. Speaking of engaging with the audience in a meaningful way, engagement is a technical term in social media parlance. It is a metric that calculates how involved the audience is with your content based on likes, comments, shares, etc. Building this is a long-term game and can be quite the task. And without meaningful engagement, it won't matter if your page has a lot of followers. This is where influencer marketing can help your brand. 4. More viewers turn into buyers. You want brand awareness and would like to increase your reach, but the final goal is to increase sales and profits from these marketing strategies. In the business, that's referred to as conversion rate. 5. Credibility and trust levels increase. Speaking of influence, these individuals only have this kind of influence because of the trust they have cultivated with their follower base over a period of time. So, when you pick the right influencer, you are able to cash in on that and gain some of that trust for your brand too. This has the capacity of getting you a loyal customer base over time. 6. Rejigs content strategy. Engaging with influencers might also open you up to new formats of content. They know what works with their audience and might have ideas that will help your brand with the kind of market you're seeking to capture. 7. Better ranking in terms of SEO. When you engage with influencers with real influence on the purchasing power of their followers, you make appearances on their platforms, whether that is a text-based blog post, newsletter, or video posts. Typically, these posts link back to your website, which brings their audience to your landing page. Search engines consider these legitimate tags and high-quality backlinks, which will improve your ranking.